In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 3, exercise 7.2, coordinate geometry. Observe this question. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. What? We are conducting sports day activities in rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So we are having one rectangular shaped school ground ABCD in which line have been drawn with chalk powder and distance of 1 meter each. Each line having distance 1 meter, and along AD we are putting what? Flower pots, and each flower pot having distance what? 1 meter. Clear? Niharika runs one-fourth the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Niharika runs one-fourth the distance AD on the second line. So what about its coordinates? What about the coordinates of Niharika? What about the coordinates of this point? So its x coordinates is what? 2, and y coordinate will be what? 1/4 of AD. 1/4 of AD. So coordinates of this point will be what? 2 comma 1 upon 4 into 100. Once we solve, then we are getting coordinates of point M will be what? 2 comma 25. Clear? Preet runs one-fifth the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. 8th line. Preet runs one-fifth. So what about coordinate of this point? Coordinates of this point will be what? X coordinate will be what? 8, and y coordinate will be what? 1/5 of 100. Why? Because along AD we are having 100 ports, and each ports at 1 meter distance. So 1/5 of 100, then we are solving and getting 8 comma 20. So coordinates of point M will be what? 8 comma 20. What we want? What is the distance between both the flags? It means distance between both the flags we want. So we will use distance formula. Once we are having 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, then distance between these 2 points will be what? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By using this formula, we are getting what? Mn. So Mn will be what? Square root of, this is x1 y1, this one is what? x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We are solving, then we are getting square root of 61 meter will be what? Distance between both the flags. Clear? Another thing we want what? If Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Between of these 2 points, Rasmi has to post a blue flag. So we will use midpoint formula. We are having one line segment MN, its midpoint P. Then by using midpoint formula we can obtain its coordinate. So what about midpoint formula? Once we are having two M and line segment, and coordinates of M is what? x1 y1, and coordinates of N what? x2 y2, then midpoint will be what? Midpoint coordinates will be what? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now both points we are having, we are putting the values and solving, then we are getting midpoint P. What? 5 comma 22.5. What is its meaning? The blue flag is on the fifth line at the distance of 22.5 meter above it. So what will be its midpoint? Fifth line. And above this one, along AD we are having distance 22.5. Then we are getting, that one will be what? Midpoint. So once we understand this question, observe carefully, then we can easily to find the solutions. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.